girl grudge me to the life I live. Them not like me cause the Wi-Fi is. Some girl don't know what I plan.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I have been sleeping all day, and even in yesterday's vlog I didn't get to end that vlog, so I do apologize about that. But it's Sunday and I am heading to St. Elizabeth. I'm gonna be hanging out with my friends. They're having a all-white party, so that's where I'm heading to right now, and I'll be sharing the experience with you guys. I just finished Spurtree Hill and it is a wonderful afternoon. Oh my god, it was crazy hot today though. It was so hot today. I didn't want to do anything. I just lay up in bed and get some rest. But hopefully you know, everyone is there, and I know we're gonna have a great time. So I'm gonna check back in when I'm there. So talk to you guys later. Okay guys, I'm finally here. Talia, you know the chef in the kitchen?
I don't know.
See her there? Is there Butty? It was so fun, Butty. I said, Butty, right? I got for your face.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get some food right now. I am hungry. Let me set this camera up right here. Ugh. This girl have been driving for hours.
Me? You said it was right around the corner.
No. What is this? That's steamed fish. That's how I can imagine you eating a lot of
No, I trust me, I was told to eat. You know,
The heat can't fit in. The heat can't fit in.
yeah. I show you.
Yeah, show me around, girl. Show me around. This is mine?
Yeah.
For the rice.
Our bread. Where's the way that that's something here? I don't know if you want rice or just fish. You want the pepper something upon him something?
Look at my hair. Go off FaceTime to just.
I won't move it, the pepper.
Chicken. That's why don't give it too much pepper. That's good.
That's good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm gonna come
Give me a little bit of rice. A little bit of rice.
Whatever, sir. I'm going outside.
I need a spoon.
This spoon for what?
Spoon.
Regular spoon?
Take a look. Yeah.
Take over, right?
Yeah.
The rice, look over there, so you can see spoon. The big spoon. And there you go. You want this fish, Adam? That's fish. And then my rice, where's this Shelly?
That's it.
I'm going to tell you, you know what's happening. Mommy? Mommy, that's one of them.
It was here or breadfruit?
Mommy, I breadfruit there this morning. That looks like it's dry. Yeah.
You dry up?
I don't know if I want this.
That's it? That's all that's there?
Yes, girl. You don't want this.
No.
No.
You want some rice in there?
We're not done.
I'm going to a party, Latoya.
We're going to go which party? The tea glue or something?
No, next one.
Which one?
Next one.
Which next one for that?
Yeah, it's still warm. I am coming. The damn place is dark. Oh, this is pretty. That's what they put here. Tell your ass is in my camera. Move. It is a doing. This is so pretty. Nice to meet you. Good. I love the painting on the wall. Look where you're going, Missy. I don't have time. So hey guys, just checking in. We haven't done much really, just sit around, eat, drink, chat, take pictures. We might be going to another event tonight, we'll see. I feel a little bit tired, but then I'm really up to it, so I might go, but we'll see.